Welcome to my new blog post 49. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the sphere of topic. So our topic is sphere of influence of project manager within the organization. So basically, the project manager proactively interacts with other project managers, other independent projects, uh, or projects that are part of the same program may impact a project due to demands on the same resources, priorities of funding, receipt or distribution of deliverables, and alignment of project goals and objectives with those of the organization. So interacting with other project managers helps to create positive influence for fulfilling the various needs of the project. These needs may be in the form of human, technical, or financial resources and deliverables required by the team for project completion. So the project managers seek ways to develop relationships that assist the teams in achieving the goals and objectives of the project. In addition, the project manager maintains a strong advocacy role within the organization. The project manager proactively interacts with managers within the organization. During the course of the project manager also works with the project sponsor to address internal, political, and strategic issues that may impact the team or the viability or the quality of the project. So the project manager may work towards increasing the project management competency and capability within the organization as a whole and involved in both tacit and explicit knowledge transfer or integration initiatives. So the project manager also works to uh, demonstrate demonstrate the value of project manager, increase acceptance of project management in the organization, and advance the efficiency of the PMO when one exists within the organization. So basically, depending on the organizational structure, a project manager may report to a functional manager. In other cases, a project manager may be or one of several project managers who report to a PMO or portfolio or a project program manager who is ultimately responsible for one or more organization-wide projects. The project manager works closely with all relevant managers to achieve project objectives and to ensure project management plan aligns with the portfolio or program plan. The project manager also worked closely in collaboration with other roles such as organizational managers, subject matter experts, and those involved with business analysis. In some situations, the project manager may be an external consultant placed in temporary management role. So this is all about the project manager's sphere of influence within the organization. And please keep in mind that project manager has medium level of authority within the organization. So coming towards our star question. So the star question is the project manager also works closely and in collaboration with other roles such as organizational manager, subject matter experts, business analyst, and fourth one is all of the above. So please do not forget the answer of this question in the comment section of this video, and answer lies within this video, so you need to